Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see about Standard 2, Term 2, Subject EVS. Lesson 3, Our Society. In this class, we are going to learn about religious festivals and national festivals. Students, let us learn about festivals. They are days to celebrate and sharing. Festivals can be religious or national festivals. Religious festivals. They are days of prayer and happy occasion to bond with people around us. We also enjoying the special dishes. Some of the religious festivals are Pongal, Diwali, Ramzan, Christmas, Kartigai Deepam, Bakrid, Easter, Onam, Mahavir Jayanti, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Buddha Purnima and Dasara. Kartigai Deepam. It is a festival of lights. It is celebrated on the full moon day in Tamil month of Kartigai. Lights removes darkness. It brings brightness and cheer to our lives. Rangolis are drawn, houses are decorated with lamps. Eidul Adha. It is commonly called Bakrid. It is a Thanksgiving festival. It is also the festival of sacrifice. On this day, people prepare special meat dishes and sweets and share it all. Easter. It is celebrated on the Sunday following Good Friday in March or April. It follows a period of 40 days of fasting and prayer called Lent. It is a festival of hope. Decorated eggs and sweets are shared as gifts. Mahavir Jayanti. It is one of the most precious festivals for the Jain community. It marks the birth anniversary of Lord Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. Buddha Purnima. It is the biggest day of Buddhists. It is believed that three important events of Buddha's life took place on the day: his birth, his attaining enlightenment, and his death. These are specious day fall on the full moon day. Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is the birthday of first Sikh Guru Guru Nanak. This is one of the most holy festival in Sikhism. Onam. It is celebrated to remember the golden rule of King Mahabali, a king who ruled over Kerala. Dasara. It is also called Vijayadashami. It marks the victory of Rama over the 10-headed king Ravana. In some places, it is celebrated as Durga Puja. It makes the victory of goddess Durga over King Mahisasura. Students, let us learn about national festivals. They give us feeling of oneness. These festivals celebrated by people all over India. On these days, we host our national flag with due respect with public buildings and schools. Let us learn about some national festivals. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. India got its freedom on this day. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January. Indian Constitution came into force on this day. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October to honor Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. We also celebrate some days like National Science Day on February 28th, Teachers Day on September 5th, Children's Day on November 14th, Labour's Day on May 1st, and many more. Thank you, students.